Welcome back to Whiteburn Adventures. Today we are going to replace the hatch as it blew off when we were travelling in Cooper Pedy. We didn't show much of at Cooper Pedy because it was dark, windy and raining. So here we go. We purchased Remitop Vista skylights which fit the Kimberley Karavan's original cutout. It's time to pull all the duct tape off this broken skylight. Someone did this well. Not sure where I'm going to put you to watch. Oh, I will touch him when I've done some more. We had to take 8 screws out from the surrounding which was inside the camper to pull the skylight off. That's what it looks like. Wave. Well, there looks to be a bit of dust there. Might have to clean that. Cloth and some soapy water or something. Oh well, be back soon. We use methylated spirits, then T-Rex prep cleaner. Test run just to make sure it fits. It took both of us to help each other to line it up and set it down. The new one, the old one. Have to just test everything in a minute. Alright, number 2. How dirty is this? Like and subscribe helps our channel to grow. It took us about an hour and a half and we have 2 new skylights at the front of the caravan. They are a little bit flatter than the old ones, but they still look pretty cool. And I'll just go inside. 1 done, 2 done. It has the screens and the blinds. Until next time, thanks for watching.